Hey guys, welcome to Technosalad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Facebook account password. So let's get started. Well, this video is for those people who already have their current password and they just want to change it to the new one so as to keep their account safe. In order to change the Facebook account password, first open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Now tap on the hamburger menu icon located at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down the page and at the bottom you will find the option as Settings and Privacy. Just tap on it. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. Under Settings, under Security, you will find the option as Security and Login. Just tap on it. Here you will find the option as Login and Change Password. Just tap on Change Password link. Here you need to enter your current password, new password, and again you need to type in the same password. So let's enter the password. It is always a good idea to select the password as the combination of uppercase letters and numbers so that it will be very hard to crack the password. Once you enter the current password and a new password, tap on Update Password. Once you do that, you will get the message whether you want to log out of other devices. You can review the other devices or you can keep the option as Stay Logged In. I will choose the option as Stay Logged In. Once you select the option, just tap on Continue button. Now close the Facebook app from the background as well and then try to log in. And yes, your password to the Facebook account is changed for now. So that was a short tutorial on how to change your Facebook account password. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.